Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impressions video. So if you're new to this channel, basically I like to unbox, give first impressions, watch reviews and comparisons of a lot of segments of watches. Right now concentrating on creating a database of affordable everyday watches, and I thought to give you an idea about this Lorus with the reference number RH961NX9. So Lorus is a subsidiary of Seiko, and Seiko likes to, let's say, separate now their name from affordable watches, and this one was actually the most affordable watch I could find. That is, it's not automatic, of course, because it only costs 50 euros. I'll leave a link in the description on the Amazon link, but be sure to check out other links. If you find something cheaper, leave them in the comment. So let me get the box open. So we have the instruction manual, guarantee certificate, and then we have the watch ticking here and the back. And as you can see, we have a blue dial field watch from Lorus with a bracelet, folded bracelet, as you can see. Let me take this off. I know a lot of people like this. And here we have the ticket. So let me get the caliper to get the basic specifications out of the way. So we have 40 millimeters in diameter, lug-to-lug length of 46.5 and thickness of 10.25 with a lug width of 20 millimeters. So we have a quartz, Seiko quartz movement inside. We have a date function, non-screw down crown, 100 meters of water resistance, and you have a 60-minute counter fixed bezel. We have polished finish on the watch, basic finish, let's say, and for that price I think that's a really good deal. So if you're looking for a watch for a present for someone that you want to give a first watch, or even if you want to get a beater watch for under 50 bucks, that's the watch to get. I didn't find anything cheaper than that with these specifications. Of course, the bracelet is something to, let's say, I'm not going to even, let's say, put on the bracelet because I know this bracelet. It's the basic Seiko bracelet. But yeah, I'll take it off the bracelet, put it on some options, and give you a look how it looks like. So putting it on a parallel strap, because that's, I think, a perfect combination if you're looking at a field watch. Sorry about that. So this is the Citizen from the last one of the other unboxings and first impressions. Really nice watch. So I'll put this on my wrist. By the way, I have a 17 centimeter wrist, and I'm a big fan of making the watch extra tight on the wrist. So I actually use smaller straps most of the time. So this is how it looks on the 17.1 centimeter wrist, which is around 6.69 inches. And here you can see how it looks. I actually think that's a great play from Seiko to have Lorus as their sister brand to let's say produce cheaper watches. I think it has a little bit of lume. Let me get the, just a second. So I tried to actually fill the lume hands and the lume pips, which looked lumed to me, but there is no lume whatsoever. So I think they cheaped out on the lume. And as you can see, also the second hand is not ticking on the indices. So if this bugs you out, be sure to check on another watch. I have a lot of watches in that segment as well. But other than that, I find it quite good, offering for the $50, 50 euros that you're going to pay for this watch. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. And this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.